These are our new Firefly Tiki torch canisters. They can be used standalone as you see them here, or they are designed to fit inside a standard size tiki torch that you would get at a big box store like this right here. They replace this canister, which can be difficult to use. I can't seem to be able to get the top off of it so far. Anyway, let's take a look at the canisters themselves. The taller one is brushed stainless steel, and it holds 10 ounces of fuel. The shorter one holds 6 ounces of fuel, and it's a polished stainless steel. I'm burning Firefly Safe and Green, eco-friendly Firefly Safe and Green. Now you'll notice there's some smoke, but that's to be expected with using a very thick 1/2-inch fiberglass wick. You'll notice too that they have a wind guard, which will help the tiki torch stay lit. And then we also include a chained snuffer to snuff the flame and to protect the fiberglass wick in inclement weather. Now both of the tiki torches, they measure 2 5/8 inches in diameter at the bottom, and the top rim is 3 3/4 inches. So if you plan on putting it inside of a tiki torch, make sure that you measure the tiki torch and that it will fit. Thanks for watching.